Trade talks between India and the United States have hit a roadblock, with agriculture, especially dairy, at the heart of the dispute. The concept of non-vegetarian milk is fueling controversy, challenging long-standing beliefs around dairy consumption. Beyond economic interests, cultural sensitivities surrounding so-called non-veg milk have become a key sticking point. India has classified certain American dairy products as non-vegetarian, citing deep-rooted cultural sensitivities. This designation stems from concerns that feeding cows animal-based supplements goes against their traditionally vegetarian diet. As a result, New Delhi has halted American dairy imports, highlighting the contentious issue of non-veg milk. The term non-veg milk refers to milk from cows fed animal byproducts like bone meal and meat powder, though it is not an official scientific term. This concept has recently sparked international debate, particularly between the United States and India. In the US, cattle feed reportedly contains animal parts from pigs, fish, and dogs. Conversely, Indian cows are usually fed a strictly vegetarian diet.
On the dairy side, when it comes to, and this is a big cultural issue which America is insensitive to, which is that if you give blood meal to cows to produce milk, this is anathema. And we want a certification that no blood meal will be used. They've been resisting that. So I think there will be difficulties on that score. So it's not going to be easy. On the American side, they are being very demanding, very pressing, very hard line on this issue. If you look at the statements of Lutnick as well as Besant, the Treasury Secretary, they have been openly saying that India has to open up its agriculture because the big American companies, American politics is based on lobbying. Lobbying by who? Lobbying by corporations. So it's highly business-oriented country. And that's where the problem lies.
The controversy is rooted in India's deep-seated religious and cultural values. For many, the idea of cows being fed meat-based or non-vegetarian fodder is unacceptable. Milk from such animals is seen as impure, neither holy nor fit for consumption. Hindu and Jain communities, in particular, believe that for milk to be sacred, the cow must follow a strictly vegetarian diet. New Delhi has drawn a clear red line, calling this issue non-negotiable. It is demanding strict certification that imported dairy comes only from cows not fed animal-derived substances such as meat or blood. India's stance is also tied to livelihoods. The dairy sector is a cornerstone of the rural economy, supporting over 1.4 billion people and employing more than 80 million, primarily small-scale farmers. Many American dairy producers use animal-based ingredients in cattle feed when producing items such as milk powder, ghee, and butter, which raises religious and ethical concerns among Indian consumers. Washington has criticized India's restrictions on dairy and agricultural imports, calling them an unnecessary trade barrier. The dispute has been referred to the World Trade Organization. As reported by the Times of India, the US argues that India's revised dairy certification, introduced in November 2024, does not explicitly mention such religious or ethical objections.